Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by linking your Twitch account and copying the stream key into OBS's service field. This authorizes streaming. Once done, you set OBS canvas and output resolution to match your webcam and bandwidth, because matching prevents scaling artifacts and frame drops. Make sure your microphone and webcam are selected in audio and video settings. Test levels so chat hears you clearly. Finally, save a scene collection with one scene. This is your baseline for adding sources later. You now build scenes and populate sources. Capture game, window, webcam, and an audio mix. Then choose an encoder, NVENC if available for lower CPU usage, otherwise X264 for control, because encoder affects quality and CPU load. Next, set bitrate based on resolution and upload speed, then pick CBR with a 2-second keyframe interval. Twitch expects that, and it stabilizes viewer playback. Also add an audio mixer preset, route desktop and mic, and lock source positions to avoid accidental moves. You're ready to go live. Click Start Streaming and then watch OBS stats to verify dropped frames and CPU usage. This tells you if viewers will stutter. Once live, monitor chat and adjust scene transitions smoothly so you maintain pacing and viewer engagement. If you see problems, act methodically. First lower bitrate, then switch to hardware encoder, and finally use a wired connection. These steps reduce packet loss and CPU strain. Remember to stop stream, check logs, and try a private test stream if issues persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.